Physical work always. There's always both of them.
This is going to be our 8th edition, and the theme is "It's what we make it." So we're expecting you guys to come here, have fun, meet designers, have experiences that will, empower you and make you see life, in a fun, new, exciting, creative way. And so the festival presents a platform where not only do I get to meet cool creatives, I get to work on cool projects, at the same time get to involve community in this celebration. So for me, it's that part, that coming together, that showcase of art, that communal involvement, when a kid comes here and does the painting and drawing, there's that feeling, you get.
It all really comes together. We have 3 key words: play, grow, and make. And we feel like a lot of what we do is covered by those 3 words. So we like to encourage play through our visitors. We like them to encourage people to make. This is beyond the festival as well. This is kind of one of our core beliefs. And then to grow, whether that's growing plants or growing in our minds as well.